Hello students, welcome to STB online classes. Shweta Saxena here, your English teacher. In my last videos, I have taught you capital and small letters with their formation. Today, I will teach you the formation of small cursive letters. We use 4-line format to write small cursive letters. All letters starts from the third line. Now it's time to learn small cursive letters. Let's start with the pattern we follow to draw the letters. Students, as I told you that every small cursive letter starts from third line. So we follow the pattern and write like this. First come to the third line, then go to the second line and make a curve like this. Now we make C to follow this pattern. First make a curve, start from third line, go to the second line, make a curve and turn back the pencil and come down, make curve. It's C. C for cat. C for carrot. Next letter A. Start from third line, make a curve to the second line, then turn back, come to the second line, make a curve, go upside, come back to the down and make a little curve. A. A for apple, A for X. Next letter I. Come to the third line, give little curve and go to the second line, then come down to the third line and give a little curve. I. Make a dot. I for ice cream, I for ink pot. Next letter E. Start from third line, go to the second line, give a little curve, make a loop and come down, give a little curve. E. E for elephant, E for egg. Let's do the practice again. This is alphabet C. C for cap, C for cat. A. A for apple, A for ant. I. I for ice cream, I for igloo. E. E for elephant, E for egg. Write one more time with me. Letter C. C for cat, C for cow. Letter A. Cursive A. I. Cursive I. E. Cursive E. Look one more time. and repeat. C, A, I and E. Students, this is the small cursive letters. Practice it again and again. Students, I prepare a worksheet for you. Let's practice with me to learn the small cursive alphabets more. Pick the odd one out. It means you have to circle the letter which is different to the other letters, like this. Which alphabet is this? A. And this one? C. And this is A. Then tell me, which is the different letter? Letter C. You make circle on it. Then look at the letters. Letter I. Letter I. Which is this? E. Then which is the different letter? Letter E. You have to circle the letter E. Then come to the next. Letter A. Cursive A. C. C. Tell me, which is the different one? A. This is the different letter. You have to circle it. Letter E. I. E. Which is the different letter? Letter I. You have to circle the I. Now, hope you understand. Now, understand the difference between small letters and small cursive letters. In small letters, we make A like this. And in cursive, we make A like this. And letter C. This is cursive C and this is small c. Now I. Small I like this and cursive I this. Now E. Small e we are making like this and cursive e like this. Today we have done 4 letters C, A, I and E. In today's video we have done 4 letters. Rest all we do in our next video. Just revise small alphabets again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R S T U V W X Y and Z. Student, practice it again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day.